Hello students, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see the new lesson. The topic is new beginning. New beginning is a fresh start and a beautiful new beginning. So in our life is just a set of new beginning, but outcome of this beginning are up to ourselves. Every new beginnings comes from some other beginnings end. Nobody can go back and start a new beginning, but anyone can start today and make a new ending. Yes, students, in this lesson, how a parents feels when their child is leaving home for higher education, or how a child feels and on moving away from a home for better education or higher education. Okay, let's see the lesson. First, this lesson was written by Bibhubhushan Bandapodhyay, was one of the leading writer of modern Bengali literature. His works reflect not only the poverty but also the beautiful associated with the rural Bengal. His best known work is the autobiographical novel Padar Panchali, The Song of Road, that means the Song of Road. He was awarded the Rabindra Puraskar in 1951. His novel Aprajito that it was filmed in the year of 1956 in Bengali language, directed by Satyajit, who was an Indian film director, writer, and illustrator. Also, the Rabindra Puraskar or Rabindra Smrit Puraskar is the highest honorary literary award given in the Indian state of West Bengal. This award is named after the famous Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore and is administered by the government of West Bengal. The award is given for creative literature, non-fiction, and book about Bengal in Bengali, as well as other languages also. So, just to look the pictures, yes, he is a Bibhubhushan Bandapodhyay. He has awarded the best awards, Rabindra Puraskar or Rabindra Smriti Puraskar. So he got the highest honorary literature award. So we in West Bengal, in the state of West Bengal. Yes, students, let's see the lesson. So the first, before see the lesson, we could know the character of the lesson. Apu Sarpaja Poni Babu. Apu, he is a teenager boy. Sarpajaya, she is Apu's mother. Pony Babu, he is a headmaster of school. Yes. So Apu is a teenager who lives with a widowed mother in the village of Manasapota in West Bengal. So the Manasapota is located in West Bengal. They are very poor, but luck comes Apu's way when he is given a chance to study in a big city. However, it means leaving his mother behind. One day, one morning, as Apu got ready to go to school, he found that his mother had not made his breakfast. Yes, one morning, Apu ready to go to school, and he discovered this morning uh, his mother hadn't prepared the breakfast. His surprise. So you can't to go to school today, Apu, she said. The Sarkar wanted you for a special puja. They sent a message yesterday. Yes, here Sarkar means the village Jamindar or Panayar says a peasant man. So this message sent the yesterday. So the his mother urged him, his mother, and wanted to him and go to the puja. So why he asked to him? Let's see. So what? And you said yes? No, ma, I can't go about doing pujas anymore. He refused. Listen to me, Apu, Sarvajaya pleaded. மறுபடியும் என்ன பண்றாங்க his mother requested அவன்கிட்ட கெஞ்சி கேட்குறாங்க. So it, it isn't yes, it isn't just the Sarkar. All their neighbors are also getting the same puja done. Everyone wants you. If you go, you will be able to at least bring back a large basket of rice. நீ போனீன்னா கண்டிப்பாக ஒரு பேஸ்கெட் நிறையா ரைஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க. ஸோ தயவு செஞ்சு போயிட்டு வான்னு சொல்லி his mother pleaded him. Appu, do this for me. So the mother is pleaded him. Appu paid no attention and left without having breakfast. He reached his school. Yes, his mother, Appu reached his school. At the time, she could never have imagined Appu would pay too little heed to her wishes. So Sarpajaya could feel her eyes fill with the tears as they watched him go. அவங்க அம்மா போகிற வரைக்கும் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க ஜஸ்ட்டு ஃபீல்டு. ஸோ headmaster Mr. Ponibabu was looking for Appu. Come in, Appu. Abarpu, he invited. Your marks arrived this morning from the office of at the inspector. So here the inspector means a person whose job is a visit the school or factories to check that rules and are being the obeyed and that is the standards are acceptable. So is a inspector means here inspection. The CEO, DEO, chief educational minister or chief educational officer. So that persons will visit the school and check the rules and regulation of the school. So that is means is a inspector. So congratulations, my boy. You stood first in entire district. I am so glad. You took a board exam. So his headmaster appreciated him. Today morning arrival of your mark, your score, and revealed. So now they say they will give you a scholarship 5 rupees a month. If you go in further studies, you will do it. I want you. So before Abu could reply, his maths teacher entered the room. So at the time, his headmaster Pony Babu appreciated him. Today morning, your score, your result arrived. You stood in the first in the entire district. So he informed him. So before Abu could reply, his maths teacher entered the room. What will happen? Let's see. Of course, he will. The maths teacher was the most emphatic. So here, emphatic means he's a forceful, certain. வற்புறுத்துறது. He's such a bright boy, and the whole school is proud of him. இவன் ஒரு நல்ல பையன், இவனால் ஸ்கூலே பெருமைப்படுது. ஸோ நல்லா படிக்கக்கூடிய பையன் சொல்லி he appreciated, he was proud of him. We all want him to go heaven. I worked so hard to get him to understand fictions. Appu started speechlessly at the headmaster. Pony Babu pulled a scholarship form and filled that and asked Appu to sign that and said, I have told them you are prepared for higher studies and I will send the form immediately. So just to sign it. So the headmaster requested him put sign in scholarship application. So I will send the form immediately if you sign it. Appu was allowed to go home earlier than usual. As he made his way back through a green field still full of the bright sunshine, Appu thought constantly of his mother. He had left her looking very sad that morning. He knew how much pain he had caused her, so he just remained what happened in his morning. So morning என்ன நடந்ததுன்னு நினைச்சு on the way he thinking about his mother. Sarbajaya had not eaten at all, as her son had left without eating a morsel. So here morsel means is a small amount of food. That's all. கொஞ்சம் உணவு, கொஞ்சமான சாப்பாடு. That's. But the circus had sent a lot of prasad. Prasad here means is a Bengali offering the gods. கடவுளுக்கு படைக்கக்கூடிய பிரசாதம், அதான் பிரசாத் சொல்றது. Sarbajaya gave that to Apu when he got back up from school. Apu ate quickly and went out again for a walk. Apu started at empty fields and began dreaming about his scholarship. His mother did not know about it. Apu shivered with a strange thrill. What was his mother going to say? அவங்க அம்மா என்ன சொல்ல போறாங்கன்னு தெரியலன்ட்டு அவன் போயிட்டு இருக்கான். The empty field and the golden clouds on the horizon. Horizon means here அடிவானம் அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். So all seemed tinged with the sadness. Tinged is a lightly colored. So the sky is lightly colored. So that is the situation. That is the atmosphere how it was. Apu turned to go back home. An oil lamp flickered on the veranda, and Sarpajaya was waiting for him. She gave him a banana and said, "Everyone missed you today." So, Apu, the Sarkar sent someone to fetch you, but I had to say I would gone to school. If you would. So, Apu said finally, I am glad I did not go off to do the puja. Something happened at a school today. The headmaster called me and said I had won a scholarship. So he informed what happened in his school, informed to his mother. The students, I came first in the whole district. If I join a high school, I will get a 5 rupees of month. He informed to his mother, I wanted to um, go to the town for higher studies, for further studies. But what will reply his mother? Just expect. So I came first in whole district. If I join a high school, I will get a 5 rupees of month. Those 5 rupees will take care of my expenses in the boarding school. So no fee. That no tuition fee. He explained. So scholarship கிடைச்சுன்னா tuition fees கிடையாது ஃப்ரீயாக படிக்கலான்ட்டு he explained his mother. Instantly, Sarbaja's face went pale. She started at Apu is silent for several moments. Sarbajaya could find nothing to say. What Apu had just told her made the perfect sense. If a child won a scholarship and wanted to make a good uses of it, how could a parent stop him? யாருமே இப்படி ஒரு சான்ஸ் இப்படி ஒரு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி கிடைக்கும் போது எந்த ஒரு பேரண்ட்டுமே என்ன பண்ண மாட்டாங்கன்னா ஸ்டாப் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. ஸோ அதே மாதிரி தான் அப்புஸோடைய மதரும். So there was no way she could ward off the inevitable. So here is a ward off means is a prevent something. Ward off means is a prevent something. Inevitable means is unavoidable. தவிர்க்க முடியாத ஒன்று அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். எந்த ஒரு விஷயத்தையும் தவிர்க்க முடியாத ஒன்று அந்த இடத்துல அந்த மீனிங் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஆல் ஷீ குட் டூ வாஸ் வாட்ச் ஹெல்ப்லெஸ் as all her own dreams and plans for their future rose and disappeared like a morning mist. About a month later, after 1 month later, Apu's scholarship was confirmed. Sarbajaya now resigned to her fate, began making a preparation for her son's departure. So he's packing everything for his departure because of he wanted to go to the join in boarding school. So he packed everything at the time for journey. Sarbajaya began packing the necessary things. There were two kantas. Kantas means here dress, a glass, bottle of homemade ghee, a bag of coconut sweets, a bottle of coconut oil, a small bronze bowl, and a dozen other little objects. So some other important things or major things unpacked in his travel bag for a journey or for a higher studies, further studies. He wanted to go join in the boarding school in town. Yes, she said, "Look, if there are any bad boys in the boarding school or boarding house or in your class, you must tell your teacher. So don't go to sleep before you have had your dinner. And there won't be anyone to wake you and take care." So this is your careless. Okay, so you just care about yourself. So if any bad students or any bad boys in your boarding school, this cause trouble to you, so you must tell to your teacher. He advised him before go to the boarding school. Apu had never lived anywhere on his own. He was totally inexperienced, so completely alone. Apu took his father's Harihar's notebook, in which his father used to write song. His father யூஸ் பண்ண ஒரு நோட்டை அவன் என்ன பண்ணுறான் எடுத்து ரைட் பண்ணுறான். அதில் என்ன எழுதியிருக்காங்கன்னா இஸ் சாங்ஸ் ரைட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ த லெட்டர் brought back so many memories. When he read the letters, he brought back so many memories. His father's voice, he could remember his father's voice also. So until last day, Sarbajaya had been secretly hoping against hope that somehow எப்படியோ Apu would change his mind. But he appeared to have no hesitation at all in leaving his old life behind, crushing under his feet what she herself had built up with such a patience and perseverance. Here, the perseverance means continued or passionately effort, அவனுடைய விடாமுயற்சி. So, to ensure her son had a reasonably secure future. Her mother thought about him. ஒரு வழியாக எப்படியாவது அவனுடைய மைண்டு சேஞ்ச் ஆகும்னு நினச்சி ஹி எக்ஸ்பெக்டட். பட் அவன் என்ன பண்ணுறான்? ஹீ இஸ் a strong. He was strong in his wanted to study the further, wanted to study in further. So in the next morning, Apu got ready to go to school. You will come back home as soon as you can, won't you? She said anxiously. She said anxiously means is with a painful uncertainty. Painful uncertainty. That means. So there is Itupuja coming up. Surely your school will close for that. Apu laughed. Itupuja, no ma. This is a big direct school. It's a big district school. அது ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய டிஸ்ட்ரிக்டில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு ஃபேமஸான ஸ்கூலு. ஸோ தே ஓன்ட் க்ளோஸ் ஃபார் சம்திங் சில்லி லைக் இது பூஜா. ஐ ஓன்ட் கம் பிஃபோர் சம்மர் ஹாலிடேஸ். ஸோ சம்மர் ஹாலிடேஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி அவங்க எந்த ஒரு லீவும் கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்கன்னு அவங்க அம்மாவுக்கு எடுத்து சொல்கிறான். Happy Idhu Puja. So what is Idhu Puja? So Idhu Puja is a worship of Surya or sun god. It's a Agrayan white, which is 8th month of in the Bengali calendar. This ceremony was originally mean the preservation of seeds of the winter crops. The word Itu is derived from Mitu, started for the Mitra. So the patron god of the friendship and who is associated with the morning sun. ஸோ இது பெங்காலியில் கொண்டாடக்கூடிய ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு பண்டிகைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, பூஜான்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, இது பூஜா. ஸோ அதில் வந்து எந்த வார்த்தையிலேருந்து இது டெரிவ்டு ஃப்ரம் மிட்டு ஆர் மித்ரா, ஃப்ரம் மித்ரா மிட்டு, தட்ஸ் ஆல். So with a superhuman effort, Sarbajaya stopped her eyes from brimming over. So shedding tears at the time of the departure might bring bad luck for her son. So Apu touched her feet, slung his heavy bundle over one shoulder and went off. It was a cool, crispy morning in December. The golden sun glowed through broken clouds, and touching the top branches of a mango tree, its leaves the glittered. So with the superhuman, here is the exceeding normal human ability. It's apart, மனித சக்திக்கு அப்பாற்பட்டு. So Sarbajaya stopped her eyes from brimming over. So here brimming over means is overflowing. அவங்களுடைய இது ஃபீலிங்ஸு பொங்கி வெளியுது அப்படியே. சரியா? ஸோ ஷெட்டிங் டியர்ஸ். It was cool, crispy morning, December. The golden sun glowed through broken clouds and touching the top branches of mango tree. Its leaves glitter. So here is the when he leave his the village, or when he moved to the further studies, this is the atmosphere shown how it was, எப்படி இருந்ததுன்னு ஒரு சுச்சுவேஷனை the author describe பண்றார். So wild flowers peeped from green bushes. Peeped means is a எட்டி பார்த்தல்னு அர்த்தம், சரியா? It's a peep out. So wild flowers peeped from green bushes under the bamboo groves, and the signaling of the beautiful morning will begin. So அவனுடைய